OBS or Restream, which one is right for you? Well, it truly depends on the kind of streamer that you are and where you're at in your streaming journey. To make it easier for you, I'm going to be breaking down the pros and cons of OBS and Restream in this video, not only to save you time, but to save you money as well. And make sure you stick around to the end where I share a little hack on how you can get more views for your stream, regardless whether you go with OBS or Restream. And if you've used these platforms before, go ahead and comment below this video which one is your favorite. Now, if this is the first time that we've met, my name is Curry with Lions Amongst Sheep, and welcome to the Curry Nation. Each week, my goal is to provide you with videos not only to help you grow your stream, but also grow your income using social media and other marketing tools. So if you want me along your journey to help you grow your stream, make sure to subscribe. And if you're finding value in the videos that I'm providing, make sure you give it a thumbs up so we can get this video out to more people. And as always, all the links that I mentioned, you can find in the description box below. So what kind of streamer are you? Do you have all your streaming equipment, your camera, your lights, your microphone, or are you just getting started? You see, for me, I'm always looking to do more with less, especially when I'm just getting started. You see, when I first got into streaming, I didn't have a strong enough computer, nor did I have $400 to $500 to go ahead and buy a new one. So this is when I came across Restream, a browser-based streaming software. And all that simply means is that you're not streaming directly from your computer. You literally are going to Google, Safari, opening up a tab, logging into Restream, and that's how your stream is being pulled. So everything is being run on Restream's side, which made the most sense for me because I didn't have a strong computer. I didn't have the capability to be able to put my machine through that strain. So Restream did all the heavy lifting for me, allowing me to stream, allowing me to get started, so that way I can continue to grow and evolve to later on be able to upgrade my equipment. Now, the only thing was that in order for me to be able to get the most out of Restream, I did need to go ahead and get a subscription plan with them, which did cost $19. But for me, in my scenario, it made a lot of sense and it was well worth it because it was a lot easier for me to come up with $19 in a single month than it was to come up with $400 to $500 to go out and buy a computer. So if you're in the same position that I was, where I didn't have the equipment enough to be able to self-sustain a stream for myself, Restream was that option for me to go to. That not only did it allow me to stream to actually start this journey, but it also allowed me to stream to multiple platforms to truly uncover and reach as many people as possible. Especially when I first got started, I didn't know what platform I was truly committing to. So with that, it allowed me to stream to Trovo, to DLive, to Twitch, to Facebook, to all these platforms, all at the same time. And mind you, I'm not using my computer nor my server. Restream is handling all of it. So it's so well worth the value that they provide you. And right now, if you're watching this video during Halloween, they have an actual special going on where the $19 a month plan is only $13. So if this is a situation you're in and you've been stuck not being able to stream, then you want to go to the link in the description below to be able to get access to that special, so that way you can go ahead and get started and figure out if the streaming journey is something you truly want to take on. Now, if you're in a better position than I was and you have a strong enough computer to be able to support streaming, then you want to go the OBS route. Not only is it free, but it does give you a lot of control over the look and feel of your stream. Now, it's not as easy and intuitive as Restream, but it still gives you the opportunity to be able to customize things to your liking, and you have a little bit more resources available when using OBS. Now, just like Restream, OBS does allow you to be able to stream to multiple platforms. However, you are putting that strain on your computer. So you want to make sure that if you are going to be streaming to Twitch, to Trovo, to DLive, to YouTube, to Facebook, that you have a strong enough internet connection to be able to divide between all platforms, and that you have a strong enough computer to be able to support all platforms. Now, it's the one little caveat of Restream is that no matter what kind of computer you have, they're able to push out your stream to multiple platforms without reducing your quality. Now, a way to avoid putting all that strain on your computer if you are using OBS is to go ahead and utilize Restream as well. Now, Restream does have a freemium option, meaning that they have options and tools that you can utilize for free that can integrate directly into OBS, meaning that you're able to stream through OBS, customize your stream to your liking, and then you're able to utilize Restream to be able to push your stream to multiple platforms like Facebook and YouTube and things of that sort. So if you're interested in setting that up to be able to stream to multiple platforms, go ahead and watch this video. I'll put it in the card where I show you step by step how to integrate Restream with OBS so you can be on all platforms at the same time. So all in all, both platforms are a great option depending on where you're at in your streaming journey. I say that if you're just getting started, Restream is the option you should go with, simply because it gives you everything that you need. It's a little bit easier to learn and get set up, and it doesn't put strain on your computer, especially if you were in the same situation that I was. And then later on, if you decide to upgrade your equipment, then I recommend utilizing OBS and Restream together to get the most of both platforms. Now, I promised you that if you stuck around to the end, I was going to share with you how to be able to get more people to find your stream. When I first started streaming, the one tool and the one thing that helped me grow at a fast rate was taking advantage and utilizing YouTube. Like, you're currently utilizing YouTube right now to consume content, so you should be doing the same to get more people to find your stream. So if you're interested in learning how to utilize YouTube to be able to grow your stream, go ahead and watch this playlist where I take you step by step on growing a YouTube channel and getting it to the point where you start reaching more people to grow your stream, grow your views, and grow your income. And if you're enjoying this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. You know the motto: hustle, live, repeat.